tiny pools in Kansas City cost? That's challenging because it's all the same components of your natural sized pool. So in a sense, if you did a normal sized pool, you're getting probably the most bang for your buck. If you do a smaller pool, we still have to mobilize the same equipment, the same timing aspects of it. There might be a little less materials, but your timing aspect of it is probably the same. You still have the same pool equipment that a bigger pool has. So when you start weighing out the options and thinking, wow, if I get a smaller pool, it's going to be half of what a normal pool costs. And generally we don't see that. It's not half. You might be 10 to 15% less than what a regular size pool would be. And that's just for the different costs and materials. The timing's still the same, the pool equipment's still the same.